Okay, class. So, we've learned already about inline CSS. Now we're going to learn about internal CSS. Okay. So, in the inline CSS, we put in our style here, okay? We're not going to use that method. What we're going to use is a method which involves us changing every one of them, okay? So, you have to go to each individual tag and add in your style equals red or your color equals red. So this method is a little bit quicker, okay? So I'm going to put my header into the document here, okay? Close off my header, perfect. So inside my header, I want to go and put what's called style, okay? So this is basically telling the document or the computer that inside this header here is all my style, okay? So let's close off our style, open the tag, we always close it, okay? So inside this, so first we put our header, close our header, put our style, close our style. So in this, what we can do is we can name certain parts. So I'm going to go and I'm going to name the P. So for paragraph, I'm going to space and open up a bracket like so, okay? Now I always click enter to give me a bit of space to type in, okay? So everything within these two brackets here is going to be the colors that I want, or the CSS that I want for P internally. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color. So let's go space here, color red. Okay, now this is very important. We use a semicolon like so. That semicolon allows us to change multiple things. So we're able to change the font family. Let's try font family. Let's go font family. And let's close it off and go courier. Okay, and again, what we have to do is we have to add in our semicolon. Okay, and notice how I've changed the color of the paragraph to red and the font to courier. Okay, so notice in this document I've got two types of headers. I've got a H1 and I've got a H2. So watch this now. I'm going to come down and I'm going to say H1 and I'm going to change the, going to open up my bracket like, open up my bracket like so, and I'm going to say, come up here and I'm going to go color double dot, and I'm going to maybe put that as purple. Sorry, spell purple right first. Okay, and I'm going to add my semicolon in. So we now notice that our color, our header here is purple. Now, so I'm going to change my H2. So H2, open my brackets, right? And I'm going to change this color to yellow. Let's go yellow. So color, double dot, yellow, semicolon. Now, our text has changed to yellow. Now, there's one other key feature, and it's actually the body that I want to show. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add our body in here. So we're going to go body. So this is telling the body. We're going to open up our brackets. Okay, and I'm going to go background dash color, and I'm going to go double dot, and I'm going to go black. Semicolon. Now, we see what happened there? So we're able to control the body, the H2, the H1, and the paragraph. Now, what we can do is we can actually individually change each paragraph later on when we're learning CSS. But for now, we've learned what internal CSS is.